Welcome students. Today we are going to see Science Standard 7th Lesson 4 Atomic Structure. We are going to see book bag questions, exercise and solutions. First we will see choose the correct answer. The first one is the basic unit of matter is dash. The basic unit of matter is dash. The options are A. Element, B. Atom, C. Molecule, D. Electron. The answer is B. Atom. The second one is the subatomic particles revolve around the nucleus. The subatomic particles revolve around the nucleus. The options are A. Atom, B. Neutron, C. Electron and D. Proton. The answer is C. Electron. The third one is dash is positively charged. Dash is positively charged. The options are A. Proton, B. Electron, C. Molecule and D. Neutron. The answer is A. Proton. The fourth one is the atomic number of an atom is dash. The atomic number of an atom is dash. The options are a number of neutrons, B. Number of protons, C. Total number of protons and neutrons and D. Number of atoms. The answer is B. Number of protons. And the last one, dash nucleons comprises of dash nucleons comprises of. The options are A. Proton and electrons, B. Neutrons and electrons, C. Protons and neutrons and D. Neutrons and positron. The answer is C. Protons and neutrons. Next we will see filling the blanks. The first one, the smaller particles found in the atom is called. The smaller particles found in the atom is called. The answer is subatomic particles. Subatomic particles. The second one is the nucleus has dash and dash. The nucleus has dash and dash. The answer is protons and neutrons. The answer is proton and neutrons. The third one is the dash revolve around the nucleus. The dash revolve around the nucleus. The answer is electrons. The answer is electrons. The fourth one is if the valency of carbon is 4 and that of hydrogen is 1, then the molecular formula of methane is. If the valency of carbon is 4 and that of hydrogen is 1, then the molecular formula of methane is dash. The answer is CH4. The answer is CH4. The last one, there are 2 electrons in the outermost orbit of the magnesium atom. Hence, the atom of valency of magnesium is. There are 2 electrons in the outermost orbit of the magnesium atom. Hence, the valency of magnesium is dash. The answer is 2. The answer is 2. Next, we will see match the following. The first one, valency. The answer is electrons in the outermost orbit. The second one, neutral particle. Neutral particle. The answer is neutron. The third one, ion. The answer is Fe. Fourth one, hydrogen. The answer is monovalent. The fifth one, positively charged particles. The answer is proton. The answer is proton. Next we will see true or false. The first one, the basic unit of an element is molecule. The basic unit of an element is molecule. The answer is false. The correct statement is the basic unit of an element is atom. The basic unit of an element is atom. The second one, The electrons are positively charged. The electrons are positively charged. The answer is the electrons are negatively charged. False. The correct statement, the electrons are negatively charged. Negatively charged. The third one, an atom is electrically neutral. An atom is electrically neutral. The answer is true. This is correct statement. The fourth one, the nucleus is surrounded by protons. The nucleus is surrounded by protons. The answer is false. The correct statement, the nucleus is surrounded by electrons. The nucleus is surrounded by electrons. Next, we will see complete the analog. The first one, Sun, nucleus, planets, dash. Sun, nucleus, planets, dash. The answer is electrons. The second one, atomic number, dash. Mass number, number of protons and neutrons. Number of protons and neutrons. The answer is number of protons or electrons. Number of protons or electrons. The third one, K, potassium, C, dash. K, potassium, C, dash. The answer is carbon. C is a carbon. Next, we will see assertion and reason. The first one, assertion. An atom is electrically neutral. Reason. Atoms have equal number of protons and electrons. The options are A. Both assertion A and reason are correct or explains. B. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Then C. A is true or is false. Then D. Both A and R are false. The correct answer is B. Both assertion and reason are true and reasons is the correct explanation of assertion. The second one, assertion. The mass of an atom is the mass of nucleus. Reason. The nucleus is at the center. The options are A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. B. Both assertion A and reason are true or does not explain A. C. A is true or is false. And D. Both A and R are false. The answer is both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. The third one, the number of protons and neutrons is atomic number. Reason. The mass number is sum of protons and neutrons. Options are first one, both assertion and reason are true or explains A. B. Both assertion and reason are true or does not explain A. C. Assertion is false but reason is true statement. And the last one, both A and R are false. The answer is C. Assertion and false but reason is true statement. Next class we will see lesson 5th. Thank you.